Hello. What's the probability of getting exactly 10 heads from 20 spins? Here's a little chart that shows 3 different approximations: the binomial, yes-no, the Poisson for random events, and the normal for large numbers of samples. You can see that the answer is about 0.18 or 18%, and that the Poisson gives a lower answer, but it's a bit wider. But we can do better than that. We can see what happens when we increase the number of attempts. The probabilities all go down slightly, and they get a bit wider because the areas under each of these curves add up to 1. And going back down, put -1 in there. Here's the standard deviations, or the spreads: the binomial, the Poisson, a bit wider as I said, and the normal distribution. Another word for which is the bell curve or the Gaussian curve. Probability is increasing as the number of attempts goes down, but the curves become, or the Poisson becomes, less symmetrical. And we can change it to have a look at dice. Probability of getting a 6 is about 16%. Let's go up. There we go. And overall, there's much lower chance of getting a success rate. We have to have about 60 attempts to get an average of about 10. Thank you for watching.